Start here, go anywhere. Skilled technical training at the Schmidt Training and Technology Center. Our industry expert instructors have trained thousands of students and employees, leading to better jobs and higher pay. The Schmidt Training and Technology Center provides state-of-the-art, specialized training in the fields of machining, where you can become a CNC machine operator, programmer, machinist, tool and die designer, and more. Robotics. You will learn programming and application of industrial robots and general-purpose synchronized multi-axis motion control. Mechatronics, our associate degree program teaching the integration of electronics, programmable logic controllers theory, and computer science. And electrical, where you will learn the principles and applications of mechanical electrical systems and control wiring. Start your challenging, high-paying career or upgrade your skills to advance your current job at the Schmidt Training and Technology Center today. Learn more at racc.edu/sttc.